Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 2nd February 2025. Title of Murli. This year, become a humble instrument and increase your account of accumulation and become a constant great donor. Bap Dada said, according to the time, be a constant great donor throughout the day, whether through your thoughts, words or actions, because souls need this. However, in order to become such a great donor, first check your account, how much % of your deposits are in your account in all 4 subjects. The sign of deposits is, while doing service, first of all you will remain content, and at the same time, the souls whom you serve will also be content. If there is no contentment on both sides, then understand that the fruit of your service has not been accumulated. Further, Baba said, actually, every child has received a golden key to increase his account of deposits. However, in order to use that key, it is important to always have the awareness of the feeling of being an instrument in every service. If you do any service with the feeling of being an instrument, the feeling of being constructive and the feeling of pure spiritual love, then the feelings of other souls are easily fulfilled by this. Finally, Baba said, if you want to become like Father Brahma, then first of all you must have the ignorance of the feeling of I. While performing every action, remain aware. Bap Dada is the doer. Always remember these 3 teachings of the Sakar Swarupa. Remain formless in thought, egoless in speech and without any vices in action. This will make it very easy to become prosperous and equal. Blessing for today. May you give the Father the return of His love with your angelic stage and thereby become an embodiment of solutions. Details are: to remain stable in your angelic stage is to give the Father the return of His love. Those who give such a return become embodiments of solutions. By becoming an embodiment of solutions, your own problems and the problems of others automatically finish. So, it is now the time to do such service. It is now the time to give as well as take. So, now like the Father, become one who uplifts everyone. Listen to their call and reach those souls in your angelic form and remove the tiredness of souls who have become tired from their problems. Slogan is, remain carefree of waste, not of the codes of conduct. Om Shanti.